Hi, Tiny Sprouts! Today, we're going to draw Zip from Zip and the Tiny Sprouts. You'll need a piece of paper and a pencil or marker. Since Zip is an acorn, let's start with the stem on his cap. For the rest of the cap, we'll make a big curve or bump on this side. And another one on that side. To finish, we'll draw a big wavy line across the bottom to connect them. It's a little higher in the middle and lower on the ends. Next, he needs eyes. Let's draw 2 circles a little under his cap. Here's one. And we'll leave a little room between them. And 2. Now we draw 2 more circles inside, just like this. Then again, in his other eye. He's a happy acorn, so let's give him some happy eyebrows. Draw 2 little curved lines over each other like this. Then, connect them, just like this. We'll do the same on this side. Zip has a little hair sticking out under his cap. We'll just make some overlapping U's right here. 1, 2, and 3. An acorn is shaped a little like a heart. So, let's draw half a heart right here. Start in the middle, then connect to his hair. While we're drawing this side, let's put an arm here, just a little lower than his eye. 1 little line going down to his elbow, then another a little lower that connects here. Then, these 3 little lines form his hand and arm. Since his other arm is on top of his body, we're going to draw it first. Line up with the edge of his cap and make a long U shape toward his eye. Then, a straight little line and a small U for his thumb. A sideways U for his hand, then a line to connect to his elbow. Remember that acorns are shaped a little like hearts? Let's draw the other half of his body. We make the same big curved line. As you go, don't draw through his arm. Now just a little line on the bottom to connect them. So we have 2 eyes, 2 arms. Now we need 2 legs. Let's draw 1 long line where the leg goes. Then another one right next to it. A little curved line to connect them. We'll do the same thing for the other leg. Almost done. There's just something missing. His smile. Draw 1 smile here and another right under it. Then connect them, just like the eyebrows. Zip has 3 little circles on his acorn cap. That looks great! Now we just have to fill in his eyes and mouth. Sometimes this part takes a little time.
I show patience when I'm peaceful. I show patience when I'm calm. I show patience when I'm gentle, and I trust good things will come. I am patient. I am patient. I am patient. I am patient.
Looking good! Great! Hope you had fun. Now you can color him. He's mostly brown with some reddish hair. Thanks for drawing Zip with me, Tiny Sprouts. See you again soon.
Like and subscribe for more.